Hey everybody, it's Jen from Jen Plans, and I'm here with a major spoiler alert for the seasonal surprise box for spring of 2019. So if you want to be surprised, don't look. But if you don't want to be surprised, then check it out. The box is a new pattern. It says always have the courage to start. And this is a reversible box. So I know a lot of people love saving the boxes for the surprise boxes because you can turn them inside out and reuse them. This is the first time that they've changed the pattern from the Fleur Feliz old pattern. This is the, I forget what they call this one. Woven Wonder, that's the pattern. So like I said, spoiler alert, if you don't want to know what's inside, stop watching right now. I'm so excited. Okay, I've already opened this box, so I already know everything that's inside. Okay, there are a lot of really exciting things in here. The theme is splash of color. Obviously, if you've been paying attention to the spoilers, you might already know that there is indeed an umbrella, and it is the mid-century circles pattern. Sorry, I can't talk and open at the same time. There's also a little button, so I haven't opened it yet. I think yep, there. Oh! It is a pretty good size umbrella. I'll try and, I don't know if you can get a good, I mean, it's huge. That's the umbrella. This is my kitchen. And there's a cute little asterisk on the top. But this is the umbrella. Perfect for the spring, perfect for the rain. But this is an exclusive to, oh my gosh, how do you close it? This is an exclusive, oh, you just pull it. That's easy. Okay, so you just pull it closed. You just pull the bottom and then it closes. It's really compact. Like, it opens up to be bigger than I thought based on how big it is now. Like, it's not really that big. So you just close it up and wrap it. Ooh, it is bigger than I thought though. So this is exclusive to the box, and I think it looks like, let's see. Okay, it looks like the umbrella will be exclusive to the box and in store. So if you're near an Erin Condren store, you'll be able to snag these, but they will not, it looks like they will not be available on the website. So these are exclusive to the box and to the store. Really, really super cute umbrella with a little like thing that you can put it in. Great for keeping in your car or in a bag. I'm super excited. This is not the thing that I'm most excited about in this box. This is probably the thing I'm second most excited about. And I ordered another box just for this after I got this one to preview. Okay, I'm not good at like putting things back together. Next. Okay, I made mention of a throwback item. However, it was similar to this. It didn't have a ring, but if any of you old school planners who've been around a while remember, there used to be a super skinny paper tape set that had patterns. This one's solid. It had patterns. There were like, I think 6 rolls made. They were made by Amy Tangerine. And when I was in Austin for the store opening, the first store opening, Amy Tan was there, and she walked into the lobby of the hotel we were staying at, and Erin Condren and I were, this is crazy to even say this out loud. I was having breakfast with Erin Condren. Anyway, I was having breakfast with Erin, and Amy walked in, and I said, "Oh my gosh, I love you, and I love your paper tape set from a long time ago." And she literally reached into her bag and pulled it out. It was her set on a ring, and she pulled it out and said, "Oh, do you mean this one?" Like she had it with her. Anyway, so Erin held it up like if it was an earring, and we all had just like this most amazing moment in the lobby of the hotel waiting for the store to open. And Amy and Erin have since collaborated on many things. So anyway, I was kind of talking about how this was like just one of my most favorite planner supplies. And so if you're an old school, and then they went out of production and nobody could find them. So anyway, it's hard to find the super skinny. So I about died when I opened this box and these rolls were inside. There are 10 of them, and then it comes with a gold ring. So you can keep it on a ring and keep it with you. And these are so great for like, just if you want a little bit of color or like to put down a day or across or in between columns. I'm a little overly excited about it, but if you've been around for a long time and you remember the frenzy over the super skinny tapes, you'll know why I'm so excited about this. This is so cool. I'm so excited this is in here. So this is my number one thing I was most excited about. It looks like these will be a sneak peek, so these might be appearing on the website soon. I don't know how much they're gonna be, but I think they will be appearing soon for people. So that is so exciting. And then everybody gets 20% off a notebook. They, you know, every year they kind of refresh the notebooks a little bit. Oh, new updated interior. Okay, so it looks like they have some new stuff going on. So 20% on the other side is a coupon code. It looks like it's an individual code, so I won't flip it around and flash it. But it looks like if you got the seasonal surprise box, you will have a 20% off code for the notebook. I've heard a lot of people saying, I hope the new markers are in the surprise box. It looks like they snuck 2 of these in. These are Coral and Kelly Green. Ooh, Kelly Green. I don't think I saw Kelly Green in all the other packs. So like most of the packs that they sell are in like I think it's like a 5-pack or a 6, maybe a 6-pack. Okay, most of the markers they sell come in like a 6-pack like this, and there are different themes. Like this one is Earth, and they have a whole bunch of other ones. So I think they usually put them in these for the surprise boxes or samplers. I don't know if they'll be selling these in a pair, but Coral and Kelly Green, super cute, bright colors. So if you don't have these dual tip markers and you're trying to see if you would like them or would like the way they write, this surprise box is a great way to test them out. And I will show you if you haven't, you may have already known that they do this, but one side is like a thicker point, and then the other side is a fine point, and they're porous point. I mean, they're markers, so they're so fun, and they don't bleed through the pages. I know people have asked that too. They do not bleed through the pages. So these are the markers that come in the surprise box, and then. Okay, this kind of bamboozled me when I opened it because I saw sticky notes, but they have never had a product like this. You ready? I kind of squealed when I opened this one too. Oh, that's so cool. So these are all sticky notes. Isn't that awesome? They'll fit inside. These look like they'll fit inside the boxes. These you could either put vertical, or you could snip them off there, or you can just do them across multiple days. They'd probably be really, really great in the notebooks. Things that are not like, if you're concerned about this being too wide for like a daily box of the vertical or hourly, you could use them easily in a notebook or monthly spread or about a million other places. If I want to make these fit the week, I just snip them and use an adhesive roller for the side that is not sticky. But these are like little half scalloped circles, and there are a whole lot of them. It looks like there are, how many does it say on the front? 800 sticky notes. So a whole bunch of colors, and they come in this little thing, so they're not gonna like, I don't know, you can keep them all in here and they won't fall apart or get stuck on anything else. So this is just like a really cool, they've never done anything like this before, so I was really excited to see this one too, and it has a little band that you can put around it. So this is the note booklet. I think this is also a sneak peek, so you might see this appearing on the website as well. And then, of course, I always love when they include stickers. I also especially love when they include stickers that are functional. And this is like a super duper functional sticker pack. So there are 2 sheets, one of them. This one is paper, and this one is like their clear plasticky, not like totally transparent, but you can kind of see, like you can layer it over stuff. So priority, take note, reminder, get it done this week, and then a couple of just really bright colored functional stickers. And then this one is paper, so you can use like a regular pen to write on these. These you might have to use a marker if you want to write on them. But this is the sticker set. These are exclusive to the box, so you're not going to be able to buy these, but I love sticking these in the back of my planner, so I always have some functional stickers to use to get by. And then last but not least, this is the other thing that people always hope for in a box is a new cover, and this one's really, really beautiful. It looks like it's gold. I don't think it's rose gold. I think it's regular gold, and then maybe like a peach background. Always have the courage to start with a white cover, and then it's the Woven Wonder like peach color on the back. So that's the cover. So exciting. I love this box. You know, the boxes kind of vary in terms of, you know, lifestyle and or planner stuff, but this is a total, you know, other than the umbrella, this is a planner box. So all of you who really favor the planner items, hopefully are really happy about this box, especially these. I'm so excited. You get a whole bunch of stuff, stickers, cover, pens, a whole bunch of tape, sticky notes, and then I'm hoping that the people who are hardcore planner only supplies will make an exception for this awesome umbrella, because it's not only, I don't know, it's like functional, you know, like some of the home stuff, I know people, you know, who prefer planner stuff kind of maybe put that to the side, but this is so functional that even if you really only wanted planner stuff, you could still get so much use out of this, or at the very least, like keep it in your work bag or your car for times that you might need one, or if you don't want it, this would be a great gift for somebody. I love, love, love this. But I love both. I love a mix of the planner stuff and the lifestyle stuff. So this is planner heavy, but still I think a really good mix. So hopefully you guys are excited. Tell me in the comments what you think about the box. This is definitely for the planner people out there. So I hope you enjoy, and can't wait to see what you guys think. Bye.